video that made me really happy when it happened, and it kind of makes working so hard so worth it. So when I came home, my little boy was just super happy to see me. And this little guy knows more about tractors than probably most grown men. In one of my other videos, he saw that I threw one of the tracks, and I didn't even tell him about it. And when I brought the tractor home, he saw the new tracks on it, and he goes, "Dad, new tracks." So anyhow, here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Are you happy?
Yeah. What new tracks? Oh, what's that? What is the new tracks?
Mm-hmm. Those are the new tracks.
Whoa. Look, pretty glossy.
Yeah, do you like them? Alright, well thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you could like, subscribe, and share with your amigos. We'll see you next time.